How to create a system restore point in Windows 11. System restore points are great for rolling back your PC to a previously known good state. System Restore is a Microsoft Windows tool designed to protect and repair the computer software. System Restore takes a snapshot of some system files and the Windows registry and saves them as restore points. To create a restore point, click on the search box on the taskbar and then type restore point. Now click on Create a Restore Point. Here you can see a list of hard drives installed on the system. Now we are going to create a restore point for the local C disk where Windows is installed. Click Create. Next, name the restore point. Then, click Create to create the restore point. Now your restore point is being created. This may take some time depending on your system. Now the restore point is created. I recommend doing this before you make any major system changes to protect the health of your PC. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.